Come. Yeah, guys, it's your girl Uyimart. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I got rid of skin tag in just one day under my boobs. But before we do that, please, if today is the first time of coming by, consider subscribing to my channel Uyimart, and as well click on that notification bell below to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So what I'm gonna be using to share with you how I got rid of the skin tag under my boobs is my Colgate and my lemon. I'm gonna use natural remedy to show you how I used this wonderful natural remedies to get rid of my skin tag. You know, a lot of people do come up with this question: how and why skin tag on my skin? Skin tag is actually a natural skin. It's not a disorder because it's harmless and it's painless. So it's just an outgrowth on your skin which is painless, and where it's normally found, it can be found under your eyelids. That's under your eyelids, dark areas where your skin and the other part of your skin rubs together. Once it rubs against each other, that is where you also experience and see skin tag on your skin. The areas where they are found, where the skin tags are commonly found, as I said, that it occurs where in areas where your skin comes in contact with another part of your skin, and once it rubs with each other daily or anytime, then it will pop out this skin tag. So what I'm gonna share, where you normally see and where the skin tag can be found is your eyelids. That's under your eyelids. Then under your boobs, that is your breast. All those darker areas, your armpit, that's where you can see your skin tag. And as well your neck, where your skin will be rubbing with each other, and once it rubs against each other, that is when the skin tag will pop up and sprout. So what I'm gonna share with you is this simple home remedies to use and get rid of your skin tag without pains, without stress, and without cutting it. Okay, let's go there. Join me. So guys, how to remove skin tag naturally at home? The first thing I'm gonna do is at first to take a fresh lemon and cut it on into two different halves. So I'm gonna use my knife to divide it into two equal halves. Okay, I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. It's actually a fresh lemon, okay, which I just divided with my bowl. I'm gonna extract the juice inside my bowl. Okay, just half of lemon juice, and I'm gonna extract the other one as well. But first I have to extract this particular one, which is the first part of the lemon I just divided. Okay, you make sure there are no seeds inside. So I'm gonna use just a tablespoon of my baking soda. This baking soda is original. For those that are yet to get their baking soda, it's actually high time for you to get your baking soda now from any drugstore or anywhere. You can see it in any place where they normally sell cake products and cake ingredients rather. So I'm gonna turn the 1 tablespoon inside, mix it thoroughly very well with my lemon. I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. Why it's foamy is because of the baking soda that I just added, because baking soda contains foamy agent. So it's time for me to use my Colgate, which I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon of my white color Colgate toothpaste. This white color is super good when it comes to remedies. So I'm gonna add it to my bowl where I have a mixture of my lemon and my baking soda. So all what I'm doing is one spoon each. Okay, so it's time for me to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, I'm sure you've seen what's going on, what I'm doing. I've actually scooped 1 teaspoon of my turmeric powder. So I'm gonna mix it thoroughly, mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Once it's thoroughly mixed, I'm still gonna show you what to do next. That's why you need to stick to the end of this video to see what I'm gonna do. You know, you're always the best, and this remedy is super good. When I say it's super good because a lot of people aren't aware of using this super home remedies to get rid of the skin tag at home. So once I'm done mixing it thoroughly, I'm still gonna mix it very well, and I'm gonna show you how to apply it. The next thing I'm gonna do is to bring my tape, okay, and cut some piece of the tape. It's my white tape. You're not supposed to use paper tape, it's a scotch tape, okay. So all you have to do is you take the mixture with your cotton ball, okay. You've seen what I'm doing. Just dap it inside the already mixed remedy, okay, and place it on top of a skin tag, then using your sellotape to cover it. Almost all the areas where you're seeing your skin tags, then you cover it and stay overnight. It could be under your breast, as I said, your eyelids, it could be your boobs, anywhere you're seeing the skin tag. It could be your inner thigh, yes. Then this particular one, I'm gonna store it in a refrigerator for 1 week. It won't spoil. So guys, now that I'm done sharing with you these tips today, I'm sure you're gonna go through these tips, use the tips assiduously, carefully, and you know it's harmless because all the products I used is harmless. It doesn't have any effects. They're all naturally made, so it doesn't have effect with the skin. Neither does it have effect with any product, anything that you're using to prepare it. So all you have to do is you prepare yours. Once you're done preparing, then after applying it for the next 2 days or 3 weeks 3 days consecutively, once you're consistent and once the skin tag falls, once it falls off very well, you drop your comment. Don't forget to go down there and drop your comment. It's very close to you, not really down this time around. YouTube has actually made it very easy for us to be commenting anytime soon, immediately after seeing a video. So you go close to where you're seeing the comment section and comment, drop your comments. And as well, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends out there that have been complaining of skin tags, not able to wear clothes that are spaghetti hand, that are free. So share it with them on how to get rid of their skin tags permanently without stress and without another one coming out. Then as well, don't forget to subscribe. As I said, don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So I'm gonna stop here today. Love you guys all. Bye bye.